हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग वेल। आज का हमारा वीडियो होने वाला है अ बिगनर्स फ्रेंडली मेकअप किट, जिसमें मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स जो बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल है एंड anyone who is a beginner to the makeup overall can use this. So अगर आप कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल हो या अगर आप को कोई ऐसा मेकअप प्रोडक्ट या मेकअप किट बनाना है जो कि अफोर्डेबल है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है बट गुड क्वालिटी का है, दिस इज द राइट वीडियो फॉर यू। प्लीज डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। बिफोर वी गेट ऑन टू द वीडियो, इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल से पहले से जुड़े हुए हो तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। ऑल्सो if you haven't yet followed me on my Instagram page, please do follow me on Instagram as well. Now without any further ado, let's just right dive into the video. सो गाइज, अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस पहले से देखते हो, आई हैव ऑलवेज मैंशन कि मॉइस्चराइजिंग योर फेस इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट। आप किसी भी एज में हो, आप भले ही बिगनर्स हो या भले ही आप एडवांस लेवल के मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो, बेस सबसे पहले एक हेल्दी मॉइस्चराइजेशन का ही होना चाहिए। इससे क्या होता है कि एक तो आप हेल्दी इनर ग्लो लाता है वो आपके फेस पे, बिकॉज योर स्किन इज रियली वेरी हाइड्रेटेड एंड योर स्किन इज मॉइस्चराइज्ड. Also it helps that the skin does not really absorb a lot of makeup, because I recently had read somewhere that everything we put on our face, 60% of that particular thing is being absorbed. So if you apply a lot of moisturizer, a good amount of moisturizer on your skin, you are actually ensuring कि आपका makeup absorb ना हो आपके face में. So to the moisturizer that I have already, I have already moisturized my face, and today I had used this Garnier anti-wrinkle moisturizer. This is one of the best moisturizer available in an affordable range. Now this particular bottle retails for 260 rupees and the quantity you get is 40 grams. इसमें एक छोटा quantity का bottle भी आता है, it is 18 grams of bottle, छोटा है वो, and that retails for around 175 or 150 rupees, but वो आपको एक महीने तक काफ़ी अच्छे से चल जाएगा. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन जिनको मंथली बेसिस पे पॉकेट मनी मिलती है, तो आप मंथली बेसिस पे खर्चा करोगे, तो वो एक छोटा बॉटल आपके लिए इज गुड ऑप्शन टू गो. नेक्स्ट वी विल गो फॉर द प्राइमर. द प्राइमर आई एम यूजिंग इज फ्रॉम पर्पल. इट्स द 24K gold primer. This is again a good silicone based primer. Now if you are a college going student, I won't really advise you to apply a primer on a daily basis, because now for foundation I have two options for you guys. One is from Maybelline, the Fit Me foundation, which retails for 299 rupees, the small packaging like this, and the other one is the Garnier BB cream. Now I really like this particular BB cream because it is a mix of foundation, moisturizer, and it also contains an SPF. Now those who are either college going or beginners to the makeup, so it is really very advisable कि आप पहले एक BB cream use करें, especially if you are a college going girl. फाउंडेशन या फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आपकी स्किन इतनी डैमेज नहीं होती है उस एज में. So a BB cream is going to work enough for your skin. Today I'll be using this BB cream. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the BB cream on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply it. So what I'll do is, since I have dark circles, I'll use the same BB cream and I'll apply it under my eyes as well. I'll take a little bit more of the quantity and I'll apply it under my eyes, so that it is the under eyes are covered properly. So this way you need not invest in a concealer as well. You can only use your foundation. You can just build up your foundation or your BB cream the way I am. Now the next thing we will be using is a powder to set our base, and I tried to find a lot of other options in the powders, but I did not really like any. In an affordable range, I think Maybelline is the best. There's another variant of Maybelline which is from the affordable range. Again, I will clip it over here. The one I use is Fit Me, but if you want an alternative to this one, I will definitely clip one over here that is in an affordable range. It retails for I think 139, or it is under 150 rupees, and it has the same quality as this one, so you can definitely try that out as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and I'm just going to end. Now I have done my research जहाँ पे मैंने बहुत कम प्राइस के products use किए हैं इस particular kit के लिए, but I have also ensured that the quality of the products is not bad, because I am very particular when it comes to what I'm applying on my face or on my skin. So I will always suggest you guys कि आप भले ही 4 पैसे ज़्यादा डाल दो किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में, save up a little bit. So I know कि जब आप कॉलेज में जाते हो पॉकेट मनी से आपको थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें खरीदनी होती है, बट अगर आपको लॉन्ग रन में कोई डैमेज नहीं चाहिए आपके फेस पे, सो सेव करो पैसे एंड देन इन्वेस्ट वंस इन अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. ऐसे ही प्रोडक्ट्स मैं आज आपके लिए लाई हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है ये प्रोडक्ट्स, बट जो भी मैंने यहाँ इस वीडियो में मेंशन किया है, आई हैव इंश्योर्ड दैट एवरीथिंग इज ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग कैन बी यूज्ड ऑन अ डेली basis on your face. Now here's an interesting part. If you do not have a contour stick, or if you do not have any darker shade of your foundation, or if you do not have any contour powder, you can use any of your brown lipstick and you can do the job. Now here I am using this Nykaa mini lipstick. Again, this range retails for 239 or 250 rupees, and there are always discounts going on this one. The one I use is the 26M. This is a good like darker brown shade, and this is a little dark for my skin, but I will be able to use this as a contour stick as well. If you are a beginner in makeup, you can definitely go for the Sugar Cosmetics contour powder. Now the one I use is Woody Wonder Mini Bronzer. This is really very nice shade. It goes along with all of the skin types, I feel. So today I'm not going to use this because since I've already used one. But if you want to invest in a good one, you can definitely go for this. And this again will fit in your budget. This retails for 399 rupees. But again, there are discounts always going on Nykaa, and you can definitely get it in like, you know, within 350 rupees. Now for the eyeliner, I will be going for our basics, which is the Lakme eyeliner. I have been using this eyeliner for almost all these years, I feel. Now when I was a teenager, I used to everyday use this eyeliner because again, it's a budget friendly eyeliner. It stays for long, it is smudge proof, and it is very easy to apply. A great eyeliner, plus the quantity is huge. I mean, this particular bottle, even if you use daily, it goes long for like 8 to 9 months, and it does not dry out. The bottle does not dry out quickly as well. So this is one eyeliner which definitely everyone out there can go for. The next thing that I have for you is this lip shade from Nykaa. It's from their mini range. It's in the shade Gul. Now I really like the mini lipsticks from Nykaa, and now Sugar Cosmetics have also introduced them. And especially it is budget friendly. You need not invest a lot of money at one time. You can use the same shade to, you know, just like a blush as well. So this is it, guys. This is how you can create your own affordable makeup kit. You can definitely play with options here and there when it comes to your lipstick shade or when it comes to your eyeliner shade. But overall, this is the best I could give you in an affordable range. Now I do plan to create a video wherein I include a little bit of high end of products, wherein I also include eyeshadow palettes, the options for your eyeshadows, the options for your eyebrows and other things like that. So that will go up to 3000 or 4000, I think. So I thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until we meet in my next video, stay happy, stay healthy, and be beautiful. Bye bye.